She is reckless, throwing dollars in the wind. Now she hears the landlord knocking at her door. Just an orphan, never knew her daddy's name, and her mama passed when she was only 4. And now she's in West Virginia, working overtime. How can you love this world? How can you love this life? And now she's in West Virginia, all alone inside her mind. How can you love this world? How can you love this life? So she pulls out a knife and she starts to write the story of her life on her arms tonight. And with every breath the pain turns to red. Can she make this right? Can she love herself tonight? She's had boyfriends, but none of them could hold her down. She said they drank too much and talked too loud. Free as a gypsy in the mountains of the south, where she dreams of one day getting out. But she's in West Virginia, working overtime. How can you love this world when she don't want this life? So she pulls out a knife and she starts to write the story of her life on her arms tonight. And with every breath the pain turns to red. Can she make this right? Can she love herself? West Virginia, working overtime. What if she leaves this place to start a brand new life? Then she starts to cry till the tears run dry. All the pain in her eyes pouring out tonight. So she runs outside, puts the car in drive with the hope she'll find when she crosses the state line. When she crosses the state line. Ooh, ooh,
Oh, I used to believe sin made you angry with me, but then you came close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. cannot forget. It's all about love, the love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget. It's all about love, but we've been forgiven in perfect love. So awake, my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. The story of my Jesus Christ forever made us new. Oh, you made us new. So I'll throw off all my doubt as you open my eyes to see the King of the cross is now fully alive, and my shame dead at Calvary. Oh, we cannot forget. It's all about love, the love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget. It's all about love, but we've been forgiven in perfect love. Awake, my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. Oh, the story of my Jesus Christ forever makes us new.